entering this small forest of Turhalli here. So there is a little valley school, little further about 1 kilometer inside. And yesterday I came here and I went inside. I took my bike and did little vlogging, but everything got wasted because there was no audio at all. So today I have to redo it again. The things I am going to show you are very much interesting. Stay tuned. Well, those are basically modifications I have done for a ride. It can be a short ride or a long ride. What we need to consider is, one is our safety and things we need to carry apart from the luggage. So practically there should not be much weight on the bike also, and whatever the minimum things are required, those things I will start explaining one by one. Most important thing is a first aid kit. First aid kit I have mounted on the fender there with waterproof Rexin pouch, and there is a tool tube which I have converted water bottle. This water bottle is a tool tube. That's why I have put this clamp. Otherwise, if it was a water bottle, then anybody can take it out, whereas this we can't take it out. And first thing, I have put this headlight protection guard. One is this acrylic glass, even it has got a metal frame here. This will protect the headlight glass, okay, and this outside grill, it will protect both. These are the knuckle guards I have put long back. You can see this 3M tape, it got cut when I had a fall in Sikkim. And this is the cramp buster I am using to reduce the wrist pain. And this is a tank adapter from Dirt Sack, and this is on small shoulder bag which I have attached here, and it has got 4 buckles, and once we remove the buckle, the whole thing comes out and we can carry it. And here in this bag I have got tubes and some small things. I'll show you in detail. If I open the cap, you see here there is a foam pad here to avoid that clinking sound of the spanners. Okay, so inside there are so many things. It is easier to take them out one by one if you have that small magnetic stick. See, this is a stick. So what I do, I'll take this and I'll start taking one by one. This is a small adjustable spanner. This is 13 and 17 mm. This 17 mm is required for rear axle, and this is a preload adjuster for the rear shock. And this is one more small tire lever to break the bead. You may have to hit with a hammer, or if you don't have hammer, you can use on the big rock and start hitting. So this part I have cut and I am using it. This is a plug spanner as well as 14 and 16 mm tubular. And this is a tire pressure gauge, front axle nut spanner, and there are few more things. This is a small extension. This is a waterproof tape actually. This one is the extension for these spanners. This one, and this can be used while adjusting the rear shock. And basically this is a small nose plier. And this one, there was one more ring attached here, so that was 27 mm, which was not required. I needed only 22 mm, so I got this part cut, and this one is grounded to the extension size. This fits perfectly. This is for rear axle, this is for front axle, and for rear axle you will need 17 mm also to hold the bolt on the other side. These are all basic things we need to consider only for the X-Pulse here. What I am mentioning, these specially tools, these things work on most of the bikes, but these are some special tools which I got. If you see here, I have put handlebar risers. Okay, let me start with the first aid kit. See, this is a waterproof pouch, so these two straps I got them stitched here. And in first aid kit, I got some bandages and basic stuff, and this is a Volini paint spray, and even I have got some cotton and band-aid strips, and this is a baby powder, but I am not carrying any baby here, but I am carrying tubes, spare tubes, so I need to dust the tubes while packing, so that there won't be any moisture in the luggage. When I put the tubes in the bag, some ointment, that's a surgical ointment, and the cotton and band-aids, and including some tablets as well. This I keep it below the seat where there is a slot provided, and in this I have a piece of wire and M-seal and insulation tape, and here in this I have about six cartridges, and it has got a valve and the pipe. I will show you, and this can be used to fill the air instantly, and I have tried it once. So below the seat, spare CO2 cartridges, piece of wire and the insulation tape. These are some cable ties, very necessary, and this was the strap I was mentioning. And here in this small space I have kept spare nuts and bolts, and small screws, washers and small Allen bolts. So this space I have used for that purpose. Okay, OEM seat cover I have put, which I found it, dual tone. Earlier ones is a complete gray strip, you will have gray and black, and this is with the small ribs provided. It has got thin, about maybe 6 mm foam inside, very thin foam. Even it could have been better if this part also, if there was a foam, then it would have helped me later. As I was mentioning, this is the tank pad, tank adapter, bag adapter, tank adapter. So on this adapter you can literally fit any small bag. So I have used this small shoulder bag with two straps attached here, and it has got molly strap arrangement here, so you can lock it, and this can be carried when we get down and move around. In this, what I have kept a small 2 rags, and surgical gloves, lens cleaner, and most important, earplugs. This 2-port USB adapter, I use it for charging. One port is 1 amp and other one is 2.4. Yeah, 2.4. So which is good for even fast charging of mobiles and slow charging for this camera batteries. This is basically my primary toolkit. So even without touching that main tool tube, so I will have all basic tools. This has got all necessary screwdriver bits and the Phillips head, Allen keys, and the sockets. Sockets are from say in the range from 6 to 14, 6 mm, 8, 10, 12, 13 and 14, and Allen keys 4 mm, 5, 6 mm and 8 mm. And these small 2 red things what you see here, this is a plastic piece. I cut it from which bottle? This Harpic plastic bottle. So this I use it to while removing the tire bead, so this will protect the rim edge. And this is a small measuring tape. So basically when we are adjusting the chain or need any small modification or fabrication done on the ride, so we need to take the measurements. We have this tape, and this is a small ratchet. Sandpaper. This is a multi-tool, very important, which has got plier, knife, bottle openers, and wood cutters, hacksaw, and the file. See, this is a file, knife, and the screwdriver. And here this side is a bottle opener. It's a saw. Basically, it's a saw. This is very handy tool in case of emergency. And this is a screwdriver handle, and these are small 2 spanners. Considering the tools and the first aid kit, you can just select a place on the bike, and wherever you think it is possible, do some tricks and accommodate. You can accommodate so many things like this. Even in the tank bag, I can keep 2 cameras and a small water bottle. I am going for a short ride, maybe this week, sometime this week. I am going with the chosen one group. We are about 7, and I think 6 are already confirmed. So let's hope the trip is going to be awesome. Thank you all.